Why don't you be the camera person
Cause
now?
I'm hot.
Don't.
Normally, somebody somewhere is lying. But today, somebody finna to tell the truth up in here. Somebody about to lift up their voice in here. Somebody about to give some praise in here. Somebody is about to lift your spirits in here. Somebody is going to make you feel good in here. Somebody's going to have you run into the arms in here. Running into the arms of the Most High in here. If you believe it. Wait a minute, time out. Hold on. This ain't my show. If I said it was, I'd be lying. Hold fast.
Deuces. Come on. Okay, y'all. My name is Shantice. I'm going to sing a song. Y'all ready? Okay, because I am. I love you, Lord, and I lift my voice to worship you. Oh, my soul, rejoice, take joy, my King, in what you hear, and let it be a sweet, sweet sound in your ear. I love you, Lord, and I lift my voice to worship you, oh, my soul.